Dr. Paul, when will the private sector be able to vaccinate citizens, particularly those above the age of 50?
Well, presently also, Vishnu, the private sector has been so eminently involved in the vaccination program for the healthcare workers as well as the frontline workers. Out of 10,000 sessions, let's say on a given day, 2,000 sessions are being conducted by our private sector partners, and they have done such a splendid work. And as we move to a much speedier vaccination program, amazingly speedier vaccination program as we move to the next phase, the private sector engagement would be deeper and wider. We will be coming forth those guidelines and we'll be unveiling this program pretty soon.
How soon would that be, sir?
In a matter of a few days. Just wait, and I assure you that private sector will play a very, very important role to augment the speed and the reach of our vaccination program, even as the public sector would be engaged very, very deeply and intensely. It's a partnership of both public and the private sector.
When will the Sputnik vaccine be cleared? Is there any way to speed up the vaccination process for under 50 citizens?
Well, firstly, we are very happy that Sputnik has applied. Dr. Reddy's laboratory, on behalf of the initiative, has applied for authorization, and let that process unfold in coming days. And you know that we undertake this process very expeditiously because we want as many vaccine options being made available to our people as possible. And therefore, we welcome this move and we are excited about this move. And once that decision is taken, I also know that in parallel, there are a few companies, two or three companies with which they have arrangement to start manufacturing this particular vaccine in our country.